Aryan, sample paper maths, standard, unsolved sample paper 11, part A, section 1st, question number 7. In question number 7, in the given figure, if AD is perpendicular on BC and BD equals to 2 and AC equals to 4, then find the value of AB square plus CD square. इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल दिया हुआ है ABC, जिसमें कि AD परपेंडिकुलर है BC पर. तो दिस इज एंगल 90, सो दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 90 डिग्री. नाउ in right angle triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, AB will be hypotenuse, so AB square will be equals to BD square plus AD square. Let this be equation first. Now similarly in triangle ADC, AC will be hypotenuse because it is opposite to the 90 degree. So in triangle ACD, AC square will be equals to CD square plus AD square. Let this be equation second. From equation second, CD square will be equals to AC square minus AD square. In this problem, he is asking the value of AB square plus CD square. From equation first, AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square plus CD square from here is equals to AC square minus AD square. AD square will be cancelled out, so BD square plus AC square. BD we have given 2, so 2 square plus AC is 4, so 4 square. 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16, so that is 20. So AB square plus CD square is equals to 20. This is our answer. Question number 8. If the perimeter of semicircle protector is 36 cm, then find its diameter. इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें दिया हुआ है कि एक सेमी सर्कुलर प्रोटेक्टर की पेरीमीटर, दिस इज सेमी सर्कुलर प्रोटेक्टर, लेट इट्स रेडियस इज स्मॉल r. So perimeter of this semicircular protector will be, this is semicircle, so circumference of semicircle is pi r and this is diameter, so pi r plus 2r. We have given perimeter equals to 36 centimeter equals to pi r plus 2r. 36 equals to r is common, pi plus 2. 36 equals to r, pi is 22 upon 7 plus 2. 36 equals to r, 7 is LCM, 22 plus 14. 36 equals to r, 22 and 14, 36 upon 7. So from here r equals to 36 into 7 upon 36. This will be cancelled out, so r equals to 7 centimeter. So here our radius is 7 centimeter. So diameter is twice into radius r, that is 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. This is our answer. Question number 9. The probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Is this statement true? तो इस प्रॉब्लम में वो हमसे पूछ रहा है कि किसी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 है, क्या ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या नहीं? तो हमारा आंसर है यस, बिकॉज हम जानते हैं कि कोई इवेंट अगर इम्पॉसिबल है तो उसकी होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 होती है. फॉर impossible or unsure event, probability is 0. For example, a dice is thrown. Probability of getting 7. किसी डाइस को थ्रो किया जा रहा है और डाइस के टॉप पर 7 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो हम जानते हैं कि जब भी किसी भी डाइस पर 1 to 6 नंबर मार्क होते हैं, तो अगर हम डाइस को फेंकेंगे तो 7 आना इम्पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि 7 उस पर मार्क ही नहीं है. तो 7 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो गई? 0. So our answer is yes, and this is the example.